Jen here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to crochet a criss-cross triple crochet stitch. This stitch will use in my crochet scarf project and kimono cardigan. What you will need to make them is a crochet hook size 6mm and a cotton yarn. So let's get started. So I'm using the crochet hook size 6mm and a cotton yarn. So we will start with the slip knot and chain 20, just for example, to do the criss-cross triple crochet. You can chain in the even number like 10, 20, 24, 30, even number. Okay, and in this one I will show you. I will make a 20 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I will meet you at the end of chain 20. Now I have a chain of 20. It's a foundation chain, and then I will make the single crochet in each chain across until the end of the row. Okay, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet. So we make a 1 single crochet in each chain across until the end of the row. I will go off the camera and meet you at the end of row of single crochet. Okay, now I am at the end of row 1, the row that we just made a single crochet in each chain across. We will move on to row 2 by chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. In this row, we will start on to make a criss-cross triple crochet. After we chain 3, we skip 1 stitch here, skip this stitch and triple crochet on the next stitch. So yarn over twice, skip this stitch and triple on the next one. One, 2, 3. Now we will go back to the stitch that we just skipped and make a triple crochet. Yarn over twice. 1, 2. Go back to the stitch that we just skipped here and make a triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now we just complete our first criss-cross triple crochet. We will move on to the next one. Skip 1 stitch here, skip this one and make triple crochet on the next stitch. Yarn over twice, skip 1 here, skip this and triple on the next one. 1 2 and 3. So yarn over twice and make a triple crochet on the skip that we on the stitch that we just skipped. One, 2, 3. So we just complete our second crisscross triple crochet. I will show you the next one. Yarn over twice, skip one stitch here, the next stitch, and crochet make a triple crochet on the next stitch. One, 2 and 3. Yarn over twice and go back to the stitch that we just skipped and make a triple crochet. One, 2, 3. So I will go off the camera and meet you at the end of row 2 here. Now I am at the end of row 2, the row that we just made crisscross triple crochet. So you will have one stitch left, the last one. You just make a triple crochet, yarn over twice and make a triple crochet on this stitch. Just in case if you don't have last stitch left, you just I'll just show you. So if you miss counting by 1 or 2 stitch, like we just solve the problem. But if you don't have this one the last stitch left, you just like maybe like this, and then you just make a triple crochet in the stitch in the last one that you just made a crisscross. It will be fine. So like this if you don't have the last stitch left, but I have the last one left, last stitch left, so I just make the triple crochet in this stitch. So after we finish row 2 already, we will chain 1, turn your work, and make a single crochet in each chain space until the end of the row. Single crochet here and single crochet here, and a single crochet here. So we make single crochet, single crochet, single crochet in each space across until the end of the row. Okay, I will meet you at the end of the row. Okay, so now I am at the end of the row that we just made a single crochet in each space here. So the last space we will make a single crochet. Now we finished row 3, row 1, row 2, row 3. We will go on row 4 by chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. And in this row we make a crisscross triple crochet. Yarn over twice skip one stitch here and make a triple crochet in the next stitch. So triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over twice and go back to the stitch that we just keep here and make a triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now we just complete our first triple crochet, and then we can move on to the next stitch by yarn over twice, skip one stitch here because this stitch we used already. Yeah, so we skip this one and make triple crochet on the next one. 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over twice, 1, 2, and we're gonna go back to the stitch that we just skip and make triple crochet. One, 2, 3. So you just keep continuing until the end of the row. So this is the example piece. Like you make a triple crochet and then single crochet in each space until the end, and the next row will be triple crochet crisscross, and the next row will be single crochet in each space. So keep going until you get the long piece of your crochet work project. So that's it. I hope you guys like the tutorial. See you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.